F-91WM-1BDF. Hi guys, so welcome back again to another unboxing of another F-91 watch, which I just received this morning. So as usual, we just go through the unboxing, the warranty certificate. So another warranty certificate, and all those usual Casio module or manual, watch manual with all the most of the languages are in there. So this is just a reference for you if you want to set your watch. So most of the information will be here. Alright, so we just set this all aside and let's go back to the watch itself. Right, so it's wrapped in plastic, and as you can see, this is the dark gray model F-91WM-1BDF. So using module 593. So let's go through the removal of the tag. Okay, this time I managed to do it very quickly. Alright, so this is dark gray model. So what's on screen now is the information of the case size. And as usual, you can see the case back, which is stainless steel, which is similar to all of the F-91 model, and also the strap is similar except for a few models which has a special strap like the 8A, which is transparent, but also the price will be a little bit expensive. So now I'm just going to show you the strap, which is the ordinary strap of most of the F-91 models. So again, this is the mode of the F-91, which is available on all models. So this is a comparison with the 7A model. B is a bit darker than the 7A. So another comparison with the 8A model, which is much more expensive. And comparison with the green model, which is the 3A. And finally, comparison with the gold model 9A. So far I have collected 5 models of the F-91 watch, and there's another 2 coming. So please join me and watch further 2 unboxing of another F-91 watch. And thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one. Bye.